All right, boys and girls, so here's your Heggerty for today, if you missed it and you weren't able to log on then. So I'm going to say a word, and then you have to tell me which word rhymes with the word. So you repeat the word, and then I say the two words, and then you tell me the word that rhymes with it. Ready? So say the word sat. Seat, bat. You should have said bat, because sat and bat rhyme. Say get. Let, feet. Let. Mop. Dip, hop. Hop. Ham. Ram, he. Ram. Sun. Run, tan. Bit. Got, fit. Fit. And the last one, red. Bed, bus. Bed. Okay, the next part, I'm going to say the word pairs. You're going to repeat the word pairs and then give me a thumbs up if they begin the same or a thumbs down if they don't begin the same. So you're listening for the same sound in the beginning. Say muffin, middle. Thumbs up because they both start with Helping, happy. Thumbs up because they both start with Pieces, capital. Thumbs down because they don't start the same. Better, before. Yep, thumbs up because they both start with B. Kitten, letters. Thumbs down because they don't start the same. All right, the next part we need to get our choppers ready. So we're going to chop. We're going to say the two syllables and blend them together to make the word. You ready? So napkin. So you go napkin, napkin. Blister. So remember, you go blister, blister. Mountain, mountain. Children, children. Basket, basket. Insect, insect. Sister, sister. Candy, candy. Afraid, afraid. And eagle, eagle. Okay, the next part, we're going to punch it out. Ready? Say the word self. 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 We're going to punch out the final sound. Ready? Say the word could. Could. Say the word whole. Whole. Say the word week. Week. Say the word prize. Prize. Say the word done. Done. Say the word team. Team. All right, good job. We're almost done. All right, this time we're going to place our palms together. So here's our choppers. And this time we're going to say the word, and then we're going to break the word into the syllables. So say the word pencil. Pencil. Say the word gentle. Gentle. Say the word laughter. Laughter. So I did those other two backwards. I apologize. Say the word flower. Flower. Say the word center. Center. Say the word kindness. Kindness. Say the word member. Member. Say the word discover. Now this one has 3 sounds. Ready? Discover. Say the word suddenly. Suddenly. And studio. Studio. All right, the next part. Let's hold out our palms. Ready? I'm going to give you the initial sound. We're going to add the final syllable and you are going to tell me what the word is. So you ready? Say in, add valve. What do we get? Involve. In, add vent. What do we get? Invent. In, come. What do we get? Income. In, add sect. What do we get? Insect. Dex, add in. What do we get? Index. 6, add teen. What do we get? 16. 6, add T. What do we get? 60. All right. So now I need you to have your palms in front of you. You ready? Say the word forget. I need you to change Ready? Forget. Forget. Without get, we have for. Say 40. For T. Without T, we have for. Say forgot. Forgot. Without got, we have for. Say below. Below. Without low, we have be. Say begin. Begin. Without gin, we have be. Say the word besides. Besides. Without sides, we have be. Report. Report. Without port, we have re. Remake. Remake. Without re, we have make. That one was tricky. Say invent. Invent. Without vent, we have in. All right, we're almost done. We have 2 more things to do. Ready? Here's your closed fist. Ready? Say the word bravest. So we have brave-est. I want you to change brave to small. The new word is smallest. Say smallest. Change small to loud, and we have loudest. Say loudest. Change loud to tall, we have tallest. Say largest. Largest. Change large to bright, what do we have? Brightest. Say brightest. Change bright to low, what do we have? Lowest. Say lowest. Change low to high, what do we have? Highest. Say highest. Change high to fast, we have fastest. Say fastest. Change fast to old, what do we have? Oldest. Say oldest. Change old to kind, what do we have? Kindest. All right, the next part, I'm going to say a sentence, and I want you to repeat that sentence, and then tell me how many words are in that sentence. So the first sentence is, today is Monday. Today is Monday. 3 words. Is the weather warm today? Is the, weather warm today? 5 words. What do you play at recess? What do you play at recess? 6 words. We listen to our teachers. We listen to our teachers. 5. My yellow pencils are very sharp. My yellow pencils are very sharp. 6 words. All right, guys, good job. Make sure that you're listening to this, and if you did listen to it, I want you to leave in the comments underneath this video, answer the question, how many words are in this sentence? Today is a gloomy day. Leave that answer in the question underneath this video. Bye! See you later!